morning. I am at Linking Road in Bandra. It's one of the most busiest and noisiest places in Mumbai. That's what I would say. I am going to stay the night with Sanaya for a couple of days so that we can do shopping and eat yummy, yummy, yummy food. So we're just waiting for her now. How far is she gonna be? Such a cute place. Guess who I'm here with? It's Sanaya. She's here from New Zealand too, so obviously I'm going to spend some time with her and we're going to be eating yummy food. I love how they have swings in here, honestly. I'm sitting on a swing. How cool is this? It's in a restaurant. There's a swing. Cocktails in a cylinder.
Cheers to Mumbai.
Cheers to Mumbai. Let's try this, eh? Such a cute drink. I can't believe it's in a cylinder, Sanaya.
It is
So
amazing.
adorable.
Be prepared to be flabbergasted. How is it?
Oh my god, this is amazing.
It is,
actually
right?
really good. So my first cocktail in Mumbai and it's in a cylinder. So well done, Sanaya.
You're welcome.
This is actually pretty good.
बेटा सादा नान करोगे तो ऐश करोगे.
This is chili garlic chicken.
Butter chili.
Butter chili.
Yeah.
Yum. What is this?
The upper layer is cheese. The goodness.
Oh,
cheese.
look at that. That looks good.
And that is the bread. Cubes of bread. The pav. It's a fusion take on this. A fusion take of pav bhaji and fondue.
Oh my
So you
gosh.
just dip it in there like that.
Look at that.
And look at the creamy cheese. That's like to die for.
That is so good.
I'm gonna take the first bite.
Yeah, try it. And I can't wait to try it myself. It's fusion pav bhaji. How's the flavor? Good? Your face says it all.
You know when they say food coma is real?
This is it.
Come and try Angrezi Dhaba.
Alright, my turn. Let's give it a go. I've had some really good pav bhaji so far, so I'm really excited to try this now. The pav is so soft. And then I'm going to give it a little twirl. Get that cheese in there. Get that bhaji in there. Yes, look at that. Okay, and now it's time to taste it. Oh my god.
Really? What do you think?
That melted cheese all over the bhaji and having this a fusion way, it's so different. So good. Honestly, simple pleasures. But honestly, 10 out of 10. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Look, this is how you pay. That's the bill. You just put cash in here. Oh, you have like a little bill in there. That is so cute.
Do you like kunafa?
What's kunafa?
It's like those flaky stuff. It's a
I
very,
haven't even tried it.
it's a very famous West Indian sort of dessert.
Oh, I don't think I've tried it.
Do you want to try it?
What is it like?
So that's kunafa.
So nice. What's a kunafa?
So kunafa is a Middle Eastern favorite. It's made from cream, eggs, and in a shape of like vermicelli.
It smells nice. It almost reminds me of like baklava a little bit.
It is a lot. Yeah, it's a very, very similar to baklava.
Yeah, it looks
But it's
quite
more
good.
like on the flakier side. Yeah.
Okay, this is day 2 with Sanaya. Okay, where are we gonna eat today?
We are eating at Pho.
I'm
It
so
is an
excited.
Asian delicacy with a fusion twist.
I am excited.
We love dumplings.
We love dumplings. I have my cocktail here today. It's the lychee cocktail. This one right here. How good does that look? And Sanaya, how was your drink?
I love guavas, so
Is it good?
it is amazing.
I give this 10 out of 10. It doesn't taste like alcohol at all. And it's so nice and fizzy and I love it. It's so good.
2 hours later.
I can't believe we haven't ordered our food. We'll be sitting here for literally over 2 hours with our drink and we didn't realize that we haven't ordered. We were just waiting for food, thinking it's taking a while and just chatting away and I just can't believe it. Like, that's insane. Okay, time to order. Idea. Chili chicken, dim sum. And look at the variation of sauces. Yum yum, that's yellow curry. And we have blue rice. I've never seen blue rice before, have you?
No.
It looks pretty cool, eh?
Looks really cool.
It does, it's funky. Okay, this is what the blue rice looks like.
Maybe you don't like it. But you like it together. It's nice. How is it like?
Okay, when I have it together,
It's nicer.
it's nicer, not bad. When I have it on its own, it's a bit different. Like it's quite crunchy. And there's a seafood kind of flavor in. So I'm not sure if I like it. I think it's okay. It's average. I would probably get it. Would I order it again? Probably not. All right, Sanaya. So now that you've had more of the blue rice, what do you think of it?
I'm even scared to ask them what they've put in it because if they say anything funny, I'm probably just gonna barf and gag on my plate.
Yuck. Okay, the more that I've had the rice, I absolutely hate it. And I don't like it at all. Like it's not nice.
And the
I'll
worst
give
thing
negative.
is, he recommended it.
I
He
know.
recommended
And people
it.
were like, yeah, it looks cool. I've never had blue rice before. Let's try something new. And I don't know what stuff they have it in, but it just smells a little bit fishy, tastes a bit fishy. So I don't know. No, nope, that's a big no.
guys.
Big fat no. No. Okay, so where we are at the moment, apparently Alia Bhatt is upstairs. So there are paparazzis in the background. We're waiting for her to come down
Like we did a total celebrity entry, right? And exit.
and
And he
exit.
completely took out his camera, and there was this guy who literally put his palm on his camera lens, and he's like, "Na kar, celebrity nahi hai."
Bitch, please. He doesn't
And
know us,
I'm
okay?
just like, okay, what
Celebrities
is
from New Zealand.
in our eyes, bro?
Exactly, in our eyes.
In our eyes.
And that's not the reason why we're here, by the way. We're going to a friend's boutique. Okay, so Sanaya just told me that we're outside Dharma Productions as well. So Karan Johar's office is right up there. Never know who we're going to see today.
The range is waiting for celebrity to come down.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we have the green range. What do you think?
Maybe we should wait.
Yeah, we can wait. Let's just not go to the boutique in that case.
Yeah, this is more exciting. Oh my god,
Oh, like
imagine.
getting ready.
Oh yeah, they're getting their cameras ready right now. Alright, we're the most glam paparazzis out here.
No, we're not doing any
We're
stalking or
really,
anything.
really
We're
not.
technically just waiting for my friend to call back.
Yeah, but since we're waiting, might as well. If someone comes out, they come out. He's a cute guy. He's very sweet, no? Very good. Cute. Let me go tell Daddy.